Fisher Refrigerator Model 2484 rupees SL1 repairs. Deliver high-end style to your kitchen with this Fisher Paykel integrated column refrigerator. A seamless design without visible hinges or grills adds to the overall look of your space, while brilliant LED lighting illuminates the interior to make finding foods easy. Featuring variable temperature zones, this Fisher Paykel integrated column freezer lets you choose between pantry, chill and fridge modes to keep your meats, cheeses and produce fresh. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Fisher manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Fisher appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Appliance does not operate.